Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best TV stand with mounts that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Tavr Mobile TV Cart Floor Stand. For good stability and excellent viewing experience, Tavr Mobile TV Stand Rolling TV Cart Floor Stand with Mount makes a great option. TVs between 32 to 70 inches are perfect for this kind of TV stand. Besides, it doesn't even matter if they are curved or flat screens. Tavr Mobile TV Stand Rolling TV Cart Floor Stand with Mount offers 8 adjustable height levels for convenience. Also, a mounting bracket enables it to tilt to different angles for better viewing in a room. Furthermore, there are 4 pieces of heavy-duty 360-degree mobile caster wheels with brakes to make moving easy and simple. Moving on at number 4, we have 5 ARCOM Black TV Floor Stand. For your plasma LCD LED flat TV and curved screen, 5 ARCOM Black TV Floor Stand with 2 shelves provides all the help you need. This TV stand with mount is designed solid and stable so that it is perfect for TVs between 32 to 65 inches. It follows with an easy installation. Setup. 5 ARCOM Black TV Floor Stand with 2 shelves is a good choice, knowing it has a storage system for other appliances. Besides, there is a swivel mounting bracket to enjoy different angles of view in a room. Furthermore, it offers 6 height adjustment levels, which fulfills the demands of all TV sizes. At number 3, we have FitU's Floor TV Stand. If you would like to explore your options on TV stands and mounts, FitU's Floor TV Stand with adjustable shelf is available. It is a TV stand compatible with 32 to 65 inches television, and also LCD, LED OLED plasma flat panel, or curved screen. Based on the installation process, it is guaranteed to be an easy one. FitU's Floor TV Stand with adjustable shelf comes with unique, modern hooks and swivel to ensure it tilts and mounts perfectly. It has a flexible shelf and a unique cable management system to prevent things from getting messy, especially around accessories. More importantly, the sleek design results from the metal base that uses a cool strip. At number 2, we have Kanto MTM65PL Height Mobile TV Stand. Kanto Adjustable TV Stand with Shelf is a better choice of TV stand with mount to pick, as it is a good deal for the money. This TV stand is secure and safe, which makes it even more valuable. The height of this stand being adjustable using 2 buttons at the center columns is another reason it is worth investing in. Kanto Mobile TV Stand with Shelf has excellent durability with features like mounting brackets to aid view. Even though it has a sleek, minimalist design, it adds style to a room's interior. Lastly, it is easy to set up, cluster-free. And finally at number 1, 5 ARCOM Mobile TV Cart Rolling Stand. On 5 ARCOM TV Stand with Mount, the mobile TV cart with wheels is perfect for mobility and performance. It is a good choice for flat screens and curved TVs between 32 to 70 inches. Additionally, it provides great viewing angles for the ultimate experience. 5 ARCOM Mobile TV Cart Rolling TV Stand with wheels is built for good height adjustment and excellent storage. It is quite versatile following its state-of-the-art design. Due to the metal parts and black powder-coated finish, this TV stand with mount blends well with a room's interior. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.